Here some structures are provided. We are asked to write the IUPAC names of the compounds, and the structures are given by, and the structures are provided for us are, these are the structures. Whereas if I go for the first case, it is a 5-membered ring structure. Whereas 5-membered ring structure is having groups like one is carboxylic acid, one is methyl followed by bromine. Whereas carboxylic acid is ultimate, always considered as what, highest priority, but it is not present as a linear chain. We never claims one particular carbon is the first carbon, second carbon. In that way only we can do, but we never include that particular carboxylic acid related carbon as a part and part of chain, because it is present outside of the ring system. So therefore it is not a part of ring system. We have to claim it as outside. I have to claim it as what? Here this is the first carbon atom where carboxylic acid is present. We have to consider carboxylic acid is also one functional group present over the ring system. To attain the minimum numbering, that is least sum, we have to write the numbers in such a way in one particular version of direction, either in clockwise or in anti-clockwise, that it offers the minimum number. The minimum number is like this. This is a cyclopentane system. This is a cyclopentane followed by what? Carboxylic acid. Cyclopentane carboxylic acid. So cyclopentane carboxylic acid stands for where acid is present, its position is fixed as number 1. Then in that sequence, in alphabetical order, if I write B comes first followed by methyl. So therefore 4-bromo, this will become 4-bromo, 2-methyl, 4-bromo, 2-methyl cyclopentane carboxylic acid is the name of the structure. Another one interesting structure that is provided for us to write the name of the compound is consisting double bond carboxylic acid followed by aldehyde. Aldehyde will get always highest priority, so therefore that numbering is started from this acid functional group, aldehyde acid. So therefore this is 4, 5, and for the 6, to maintain that one as a part and part of this particular aliphatic lengthiest chain, there is a competition with respect to methyl followed by what? Aldehyde. But whereas aldehyde as a part of linear chain, it should be a terminal. If it is terminal, it has to be claimed as what? Number 1. But in this, that number 1 position is secured by acid, hence we never claim this one as the main functional group. It is considered as a substitution, that is sub-functional group. In this way, if I write this is 6 carbons containing acid, hence the name ends with hexanoic acid, whereas at the 3rd position it is having double bond hex3 oic acid. Hex3 oic acid, whereas at the 2nd position as well as at 5th positions there are substitutions. That is 5th position it is having formyl functional group, 5-formyl followed by 2-methyl. 5-formyl followed by 2-methyl hex3 oic acid is the name of the system. So therefore the name of the structure provided for us is 5-formyl alphabetical order followed by 2-methyl hex3 oic acid is the name of the compound. Whereas from the name, once again, if I rewrite the structures, can we generate or not? Let us have a cross check. Yes, these are the names. This is cyclopentane carboxylic acid. I am writing it as a cyclopentane. From here I am considering it as carboxylic acid. Whereas if I consider this is cyclopentane carboxylic acid, this will becomes 1 either in clockwise direction or in anti-clockwise direction. I can go for the numbers. At the 4th place it is having bromine, good. Whereas at the 2nd place it is having methyl. Hence the structure from the name that if we write once again regenerated is 4-bromo 2-methyl cyclopentane carboxylic acid is like this. This is cyclopentane carboxylic acid. Whereas this is hexane system. Hexane system stands for 2, 4 followed by 6. This is we are saying it as oic acid. Whereas at the 3rd position implies 1, 2, 3. It is having double bond. At the 2nd position it is having methyl. At the 5th position it is having what? Formyl group. So therefore 5-formyl 2-methyl hex3 oic acid. The structure once again from the formula once again structure appears as is.